All right. This is part two of the homework 8-8 video. The first one was finding perimeter, and the second one is finding area. Don't worry, area is a lot easier, and it's pretty cool. It's not as cool as being in the desert with a bunch of camels, but it's pretty cool. All right, when we last left off, we were working on perimeter, and we found the perimeter. I lost my marker. We found the perimeter of this rectangle, and we did our work over here on a separate piece of paper. I lost that too. I'm going to pause this. Oh, here's the paper. I don't need to pause it. There it is. Here's a marker. We're in better shape. So remember, have a separate sheet of paper for your work. Have this for your nice, neat formula. And all we're going to do is switch to the next quadrant, and we'll do area on that one. And in this case, we know area equals length times width. I want to see you always write the formula line, just like you did with perimeter. Now, area equals length times width. So basically, you're just putting 32 times 10.3. Area equals 32 times 10 1/3. Now, there's a little multiplication problem you're going to have to do. Don't do it on this paper. This is the nice, neat formula paper. Do it over here on like a separate sheet of paper. I'll get myself a separate sheet of paper here. Here it is. Okay. All right. So we're going to do 32 times 10.3. I prefer to do it this way, like we did in the past. I'll get rid of my decimal. I'll put it in the parking lot. So I'm going to make it 32 times 103. If you remember back to our multiplying by decimals unit, I put that in the parking lot. Now I'm going to do two whole numbers. Come back to this at the very end. So I'm going to do 103 times 32. This is my preferred way to multiply. Like it a lot. 3 times 1 is 3. Add 3 zeros. 3,000. 3 times 3 is 9. Add a 0. 90. 100 times 2, that's 200. We got a 6. This is 3090. All I did was add 3,000 plus 90. And now I'm going to add 206, and if you notice, I kept everything nice and lined up. 692, 3,296, but you can't forget your parking lot right up here. 1 decimal over. So the answer to this is 329 6/10. Then just go back on over to your nice, neat sheet. Area equals 329 6/10, and this one was in, what do we do, inches? Yeah, inches. Now this is squared because there's a length and a width, meaning for perimeter you didn't have a square. It was just a straight line, one dimension. That was the perimeter. Area is squared. It has two dimensions, a length and a width, meaning you would be making squares here. So there'd be 32 lines here and 10.3 lines here. That'd be weird to do. But anyway, there'd be 329 of these 0.6 squares, if you were to draw that correctly. 329.6 squares, and each square would be an inch, so they're called inch squared. And the reason there's 2 represents square is because a square is made of a length and a width. See? Length times width, 2 dimensions. That would make squared. Ooh, being in the desert with a bunch of camels. Hey, Mr. Camel. Woohoo! Oh, wait. Good boy.